Hey guys, so today we are going to learn about how to add logo in your video. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to insert the video in the video track. After that, you have to click on the title button. In the title button, you can create your own logo. So first of all, I'm going to teach you that how to create your own logo. So I have added this title and now I'm going to edit it. I'm going to edit it like this. I'm going to write subscribe. But as it is not visible, I'm going to do the advanced setting for it, where I'm going to add color in it. Instead of taking white, I'll add a red one. So here, and I'll sorry, okay. So this one I'll delete this one. And this is a subscribe logo which I'm going to add it in my video. So I'll first minimize it and I'm going to add it over here. But in the logo also you want it in the more animated way. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go in the animation section over here, and you can use any kind of animated uh, pin which you want. So for example, I'm going to add this one, and I want this, it should be look like this. So I have created this, then I'll click on OK, and now it will look like this. So that's it. Thank you, and please like, share, subscribe my channel.